This is Tinku, a curious and brave boy. One quiet night, he heard a magical sound from the forest. Ting, ting. Following the sound, Tinku found the whispering tree, which gave him a glowing golden key. Holding the key, Tinku smiled and said, "I'm ready." And that's how his magical adventure began.
Tinku looked at the glowing golden key in his hand, smiled, and said, "I'm ready." Suddenly, the key began to spin and shine brighter than ever before. The forest wind grew stronger and glowing leaves danced in the air. Tinku, surprised, said, "What's happening?" A circle of golden light appeared in front of him, lighting up the forest floor with magical symbols. From the shining light, something unbelievable slowly appeared. A floating door. Tinku whispered, "A door?
A door?
In the air?"
In the air?
Just then, a gentle voice echoed from the forest. "Every door leads to a new world, and every world needs a hero." Tinku took a deep breath. He raised the golden key and placed it into the door. Click! The door opened, glowing brighter and brighter. Without fear, Tinku stepped forward. When he opened his eyes, Tinku was no longer in the forest. He stood in a sky world filled with floating islands, glowing birds, and waterfalls flowing upward. Tinku, amazed, said, "Wow!" But suddenly, the sky grew dark. A giant shadow moved across the islands. A tiny glowing bird flew toward Tinku.
"The sky crystal is
glowing
missing!
Bird,
Our world will
urgent,
fall!"
said, "The glowing crystal is missing. If it is not returned, our world will fall." Tinku held the golden key tightly. Tinku, brave, said, "I'll help." The key glowed brightly and pointed toward a dark island far away. As Tinku began to walk, a soft voice whispered behind him. Forest voice, gentle echo. "Remember, Tinku, courage opens every door." Inspiring, Tinku smiled and ran toward the glowing path, because this was not the end. It was the beginning of many worlds waiting for him.